In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Gcash in USA easily. If you're in the United States and want to start using Gcash, the fastest path is through the official Help Center. Open the Gcash Help Center in your browser or within the app. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type the word overseas. This pulls up the dedicated guidance for people outside the Philippines, including users in the US. Look for the article or page focused on creating an account from overseas and open it. On that page, you'll find a button or link labeled Create Account. Click it. This directs you to the official onboarding flow for overseas users. Everything you need is outlined there, and it's important to move slowly and read each screen before continuing. Next, carefully follow the instructions and requirements listed for creating an account overseas. The page will explain what information and documents are accepted, any country-specific notes, and how to submit them properly. Take your time here. Make sure the details you enter match exactly with your documents and review the guidance on image quality if you're asked to upload photos. If there's a checklist, consider saving or bookmarking it so you don't miss anything. A stable internet connection will make the process smoother, and keeping the Help Center page open in another tab is handy if you want to double-check steps as you go. When you're unsure about something, pause and reread the section. Most common issues can be avoided by matching the format they request, like entering names and dates exactly as shown on your ID. If you still have questions or run into anything unclear, scroll to the support area and select Contact Us. From there, choose Chat with Gigi. In the chat window, briefly explain your concern in plain language, what you're trying to do, where you're stuck, and any message you're seeing. Gigi will guide you with tailored prompts and, if needed, direct you to additional instructions. Keep the chat open until you've completed the action or received the next steps. If you get a reference number or link, save it for later. That's the entire flow. Search Overseas in the Help Center, click Create Account, carefully follow the listed requirements, and use Contact Us to chat with Gigi if you need help. Take it step by step, and you'll set up Gcash from the US with confidence.